A man is suing the fast food chains because he believes the burgers that he ordered were not as big or as juicy as advertised, and is now accusing the companies of defrauding their customers. The lawsuit seeks unspecified damages for alleged violations of consumer protection laws nationwide and is seeking class action status. Joining us tonight to walk through this, criminal defense attorney Arthur Aidala. Arthur, good to see you. So Subway lost in a similar suit, the $5 footlong sub, right? It cost the company. Does this guy have a case against the burger joints?
By their presentation, it certainly seems like he has a case because they really put in a very thorough submission. And it's not very complicated. Any one of us could have done it. They took photographs of like the advertisements that you see when you're actually in the restaurant of what the hamburger looks like. And they did all different hamburgers, both in Wendy's and in McDonald's. And then they took pictures of what they actually received. And one does not look very much like the other. And they're saying, look, when I'm paying you $5 or $6 and I'm being promised one thing, but I'm giving you my $6 and I'm getting something else, well, that's I'm getting robbed. And the analogy I would make it is if they...
Arthur, we all know that the food never looks like what it does in the picture. Okay, that's kind of a given here. When Marnie read this, the words that stuck out to me was class action status, which means all of us get a free coupon for a Frosty, and the lawyer walks away with $42 million.
We've been damaged. We have been damaged. Don't you understand? We have been hurt here. We're thinking that we're getting a Big Mac with the big hamburger, and it's a small hamburger. But all kidding aside, someone has actually admitted that I think they're called a food stylist.
Yes.
A food stylist has admitted that when they're taking the pictures of the burgers, it is not a fully cooked burger. It is basically a browned burger as opposed to a cooked burger. Why does that matter? Because a cooked burger loses 20 to 25% of its size through loss of fat and loss of water. So they've admitted when they're taking these pictures for the advertisements, whether it's what we see on TV or when you're actually in the store, it's just a raw burger, just browned, and it's 25% bigger. So you think you're paying $6 for something that's 25% smaller than what you're actually seeing. And that is out of order. But you are correct.
My common sense meter is going off here because, I mean, does anybody really expect that you show up at McDonald's, which has been around forever, and that you're going to get a burger that looks like the one on your screen? I mean, doesn't the consumer carry some burden for this of understanding that, like, advertising is advertising? I mean, they use shaving cream for whipped cream on some things.
Well, let me ask you this question. If you went into a car dealership and they showed you a picture of the car and they said, this is the car you're going to get for $20,000. And then you say, okay, I want it. And then they pull up with a car and it doesn't have the fancy wing on the back. It doesn't have the nice wheels. It doesn't have the nice tires. It doesn't have the tinted glass. And you're like, wait a minute. You show me a picture of this car, and that's what I paid for, but I'm getting something else. Wouldn't you be pretty upset? So just take it down and take some zeros off of the amount that you're paying, for instead of being, $2, it's $20,000. So that's what the lawsuit is all about. And look, I don't know what is eventually going to happen with this. There was one lawsuit that was dismissed. I don't know if it was against Subway. Subway just had one saying that their tuna salad didn't have all tuna in it, like other ingredients.
It was like pink slime or something. So, Arthur, we now understand why you're so good in front of a jury.
You convinced me.
I know. I'm there. Right. I'm there. I will take my free Frosty and give the class action lawyer all he wants. It's good to see you.
Thank you very much. I
Thanks,
appreciate
Arthur.
That.
All right.
The jury has spoken. Arthur won his case. All right. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.